We are Orrin, a collective conscious and cyborg, sent by a higher civilization to warn humans of the incoming apocalypse. So we're releasing our unreleased album called Mutant. Mutant is the second in a trilogy, the first album being Orrin, which is available on all streaming platforms. Mutant is going to be a tiered release. So we're going to have the bonus version, which will have an unreleased song, the standard version, and then we're going to have keychains, which will be a lower tier. After speaking to the Mintbase team, we learned that a lot of royalties get lost. NEAR would be able to help us track these royalties forever, making sure that we're always compensated for our art. On top of this, there will be cheaper gas fees, so the price to purchase our art will be nominal compared to the Ethereum blockchain. In the year 2016, we were in a rapper mode. And so we were thinking about a way or a system to be able to track royalties across different countries. This sort of mapping across borders introduced us to the blockchain. Real Orrin was an artist, right? And we got paid through our streams. For those who are not aware, you often make about $4,000 from 1 million streams. Now imagine you were to release one NFT for $4,000. You have inadvertently been able to generate as much money from 1 million streams from one piece of art being sold on the Ethereum or NEAR blockchain. So we realized that NFTs will allow artists to regain financial autonomy over their art, as well as with the forever royalties that things like NEAR implement. Have a bunch of our friends either digitally or on Zoom to be able to celebrate the launch. We want to walk through our fans and the Borgs through our crypto voxel worlds on live and to explain to them the vision behind this album. We want to help create an education process around this to help educate people on NFTs, crypto voxels, blockchain, and the overall space with this release. Thank you and welcome to the Matrix.